Lecture 2: How to log in and set up your Wix account. Now it's time to take the first practical step: logging in and setting up your account. Think of this lecture as the moment when theory meets action. Once you're inside your Wix account, the platform opens up to you like stepping into a digital workshop where all your tools are ready. Objectives of the lecture: by the end of this lecture, you will be able to log in and sign up for Wix account with ease. Understand the initial setup process and the options presented. Begin creating your first project, ready for customization in the next module. Step 1: Accessing Wix. For that, you can just type in here as Wix and the official website in here, wix.com. You can just click in here. On the home page, you will see a button labeled Get Started or Login. Here you can see Login and Get Started. This is your entry point. If you're using Wix for the first time, click Get Started. If you already have an account, click Sign In. As we were accessing it for the first time, so you can just click in here as Get Started. Step 2: Creating a Wix account. For new users, Wix gives you several ways to sign up: using your email address, signing in with Google, signing in with Facebook, or even connected with Apple ID. Here you can see, you can enter an email address in here, you can continue with Google by clicking here, you can continue with Facebook by clicking here, and you can sign up using Apple ID as well. Tip: if you're building a website for professional or academic purposes, it's a good idea to use your primary email, like your university email or business account. This ensures you won't lose access later. Step 3: Answering the setup questions. Once logged in, Wix will guide you through a quick setup survey. You might see questions like: what kind of website do you want to create? Portfolio, blog, online store, business site, etc. Do you want to use Wix ADI, AI design, or pick a template? Don't overthink your answers. This survey is designed to personalize your starting point. It doesn't lock you into permanent choices. You can always adjust or even restart with a different design method later. Step 4: Creating your first project. After setup, Wix takes you to your dashboard. From here, you can name your site. Helpful if you're building multiple projects. Access shortcuts to editing, settings, and publishing. Begin customizing using either the AI-generated site or chosen template. Think of the dashboard as your control center. This is where every project begins and where you will return whenever you want to update or manage your website. Relevant tip: when setting up your first account, avoid juggling multiple logins. Use one email consistently across Wix and related tools like Google Analytics if you connect it later. This small step saves a lot of frustration as your website grows. With your Wix account set up, you now have the foundation to start building your website. Logging in is the first step toward turning your ideas into a professional online presence.